Good morning everybody. We were discussing exercise 6D and we finished first Roman. I think we will go for the second Roman. Second Roman first one. If 0 less than a less than pi by 4. Second Roman first one. If 0 less than a less than pi by 4 and cos a equal to 4 by 5 and cos a equal to 4 by 5, cos a equal to 4 by 5, then find the values of sin 2a comma cos 2a. Then find the values of sin 2a comma cos 2a. Sin 2a comma cos 2a. Very simple. He is giving that a lie between 0 to pi by 4. Whenever a lie between 0 to pi by 4, why is it? You multiply with 2, then 2a lie between 0 to pi by 2. If you multiply with 2, it becomes 0 less than 2a less than pi by 2. Means 2a is in the first quadrant. That is what he is saying. Now find sin 2a cos 2a. Very simple. Whenever you have cos a, you can find sin a and you can find sin 2a. So cos a is equal to 4 by 5 means using Pythagorean triplet, sin a equal to 3 by 5. Sin a equal to 3 by 5. Now we know sin 2a formula. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a is nothing but 2 into 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. 2 into 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. So this is equal to 2 4 is 8. 8 3 is 24 by 25. 24 by 25 is sin 2a. Is sin 2a. Next cos 2a, you can again go for the triangle method or directly 2 cos square minus 1 or 1 minus 2 cos sin square a. So I am going for formula method. Cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a or 1 minus 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a minus 1. So I am using 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a is nothing but 1 minus 2 into 3, 6 by sin square a. 2 into 3 by 5 whole square. 3 by 5 whole square, that is 3 square, 9 by 25. So if I take LCM as 25, 25 minus 18, 25 minus 18, 7 by 25. 7 by 25. So cos 2a equal to 7 by 25. Same if you go for Pythagorean triplet. 24, 25. Other side is 7 automatically. So cos sin theta is 24 by 25. Cos theta is 7 by 25. 1 and 7. So you can go for Pythagorean triplet or you can go for formula like this. Next sum. Prove that cot of pi by 4 minus theta equal to cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. Hence deduce the value of cot 50. Hence deduce the value of cot 50. Here again there are two ways of doing. One is simplifying LHS, you will get RHS. Another is simplifying RHS, you will get LHS. Two ways of doing it. 100%. So we will go for LHS I am taking, then I am going to do this proof for RHS. Or I can do half of the LHS and half of the RHS. Your choice of it. Cot of pi by 4 minus theta. What is the formula for cot of a minus b? Cot of a minus b formula. Cot a cot b. Cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Cot b minus cot a. Cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Cot of a minus b formula. So a is pi by 4, b is theta. Cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a I wrote. Now cot pi by 4 is 1. 1 into cot theta plus 1 by cot theta minus 1. Cot theta minus 1. Now cot I can write as cos by sine. Cot theta I can write as cos theta by sin theta. So cos theta by sin theta, if I write and take LCM, it becomes cos theta plus sin theta by, this becomes cos theta minus sin theta. 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 Now, if I rationalize the numerator, like if I am taking cos theta plus sin theta, if I am multiplying both numerator and denominator with cos theta plus sin theta or cos theta minus sin theta. So I want to multiply with cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta plus sin theta by, we have cos theta minus sin theta, we got already. Now I am doing numerator and denominator, just I am multiplying with cos theta minus sin theta, so that value will not change. Cos theta minus sin theta. Now this is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. And coming to the denominator, a minus b whole square. Cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Now this is a minus b whole square expansion. And that is directly cos square theta minus sin square theta, means I gave you formula cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. So that becomes cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta divided by, this is a minus b whole square. A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab 2 sin theta cos theta. Over summation. So cos 2 theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Minus 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. That is only RHS. So it is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So I proved that cot of pi by 4 minus theta equal to cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. How I did? I used cos of a minus b formula first. Cot of a minus b formula. Cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Then I am converting cos in terms of cos and sin. Cot in terms of cos and sin. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta plus 1 by cos theta by sin theta minus 1. By taking LCM, it is becoming cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now I multiply both numerator and denominator by cos theta minus sin theta. So that it becomes cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta whole square. This is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. So we got what we want. Next, hence reduce is there. Means if theta equal to some other angle, so theta equal to 15 degrees, this is 45, then I need 15 degrees, means if I take theta equal to 30 degrees, 45 minus 30 is 15 degrees, we already discussed. So I am substituting theta equal to 30 degrees, I am substituting theta equal to 30 degrees in the given equation, what happens? Now, if theta equal to 30 degrees, or we need 15 degrees. So because theta equal to 15 degrees, I substitute, I will get 30 degrees, but I need 15 degrees. That's why I am substituting theta equal to 30 degrees. Automatically it becomes 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30 is 15. So wherever theta is there, I am substituting just 30 degrees. So cos 2 into 30, 2 into 30, 60 degrees. By 1 minus sin 2 into 30, 60 degrees. Wherever theta is there, I am substituting 30 degrees. So cos 2 theta is cos 60 degrees, sin 2 theta is sin 60 degrees. So from the given equation, I am finding the value of cot 15 degrees. Another way, we already discussed how to find cot 15. Cot 15 is cot of 45 minus 30, cot of a minus b you can do. But it is asking hence reduce, means from the result we need to find. So using the result only we need to find. That's why I am using this. So cot 15 equal to cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. By 1 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2. So if I take 2 common LCM and cancelling, I will get 1 by 1 minus root 3. So by rationalizing, so root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. I can do both numerator and denominator with root 3 plus 1. So what becomes is root 3 plus 1 by, this is, sorry, if I take LCM, this becomes 2. So root 3 plus 2, or 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So it becomes 2 minus root 2 plus root 3 by, here 2 LCM if I take, this becomes 2 minus root 3. So that by 2 cancel. So 1 minus 2, 1 by 2 minus root 3. I am multiplying numerator denominator with 2 plus root 3. So that given value will not change. So 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 4 minus 3 becomes 2 plus root 3. Part 15 we already derived. Check with that value. That is 2 plus root 3. So part 15 is 2 plus root 3. Tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. We derived in compound angles. We check that. Same answer we got here also. Next. 1 by cos 290 plus 1 by root 3 sin 250 equal to 4 by root 3 equal to 4 by root 3. Very simple sum but very important sum. Very important sum. So try to understand properly. If I am taking LCM, this becomes root 3 into cos 250 into sin 250 into cos 290. Just I am taking LCM for LHS. I am just taking LCM for LHS. Becomes root 3 into sin 250 into cos 290. So here it becomes root 3 sin 250, root 3 sin 250 degrees plus cos 290 degrees. Now 250, how can I write? 270 minus 20. 290 is 270 plus 20. So what happens? Root 3 into sin of 250 I can write as 270 minus 20 degrees plus cos of 290 I can write as 270 plus 20 degrees divided by, say, root 3 into sin of 270 minus 20 degrees plus cos of 270 plus 20 degrees. 270 plus 20 degrees. Now, this is in the form of root 3 into sin of 270 minus theta, all multiples of 90 degrees, complementary angle, sin becomes cos. So becomes cos 20 degrees. And in the fourth quadrant, 270 minus theta is third quadrant. And in the third quadrant, sin is negative. So it becomes minus cos 20. Plus, coming to here, cos of 270 plus 20. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive only, but complementary angle, odd multiples of pi by 2, cos becomes sin. So this becomes sin 20. This becomes sin 20 divided by, coming to the denominator, this is root 3 into, same again, sin of 270 minus theta is third quadrant, sin negative becomes minus cos 20, but cos positive becomes sin 20. If I take minus common in both numerator and denominator, if I cancel, this becomes root 3 cos 20 plus sin 20 divided by root 3 into minus, if I take common, this becomes minus becomes plus becomes minus by this minus I cancelled, left out is root 3 cos 20 into sin 20. Cos 20 into sin 20. Now here this is like a cos theta plus b sin theta. Divide and multiply with root of a square plus b square I told. Whenever if you find a sin theta plus b cos theta, always divide and multiply with root of a square plus b square I told. So root 3 square is 3 plus 1, root 4. So divide and multiply the numerator with 2, and numerator you can do into 2 by 2 simply. Divide numerator and multiply denominator with 2. So that is into 2 by 2 I will do for numerator. So what happens? What happens? This becomes, if I multiply and divide by 2, what happens to the numerator? 2 into root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20 by denominator as it is root 3 into sin 20 into cos 20 sin 20 into cos 20 sin 20 into cos 20 as it is already. Here also again I am multiplying with 2 and dividing with 2. Here also again I am multiplying and dividing with 2. Why? Because this I can write as 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta formula. So now the numerator becomes 2 into 2 4, 2 2 is 4 into root 3 by 2 I can write as sin 60 degrees into cos 20 minus 1 by 2 I can write as cos 60 into sin 20 cos 60 into sin 20 by root 3 into 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta sin 2 into 20 40 degrees. Now observe the numerator sin A cos B minus cos A sin B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B sin of A minus B sin of A minus B. So 4 by root 3 as is, and this is sin of A minus B sin 40 60 minus 20 40 by sin 40 sin 40 cancels. So left out is root 4 by root 3 is equal to RHS, hence proved. Is equal to RHS, hence proved. I took LHS, took the LCM and converting 290 to 250 means we can write 270 plus 20, 270 minus 20, simplified. So I got 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, and this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B sin of A minus B sin of 40 minus 20 60. So that sin 40 cancelled, and finally I got 4 by root 3. That is what is asking to prove. Next, prove that cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta equal to 3. How to prove? Same. This is cos 3 theta formula, you know, we can write as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And here sin 3 theta formula, you know, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Just write down the formula and simplify everything. So LHS I am taking as usually cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta. What is the formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta minus 3 cos theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta, same I can write 4 sin cube theta, sorry 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta whole by sin theta whole by sin theta whole by sin theta. Now by simplifying this, cos cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta minus to minus plus 3 cos theta by cos theta as this plus sin cube theta plus 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by sin theta as this for some time. Next, cos cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta is minus 3 cos cube theta, and you know minus 3 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta by cos theta as this plus sin cube minus 4 sin cube minus 3 sin cube theta. So 3 sin theta minus 3 sin cube theta by sin theta by sin theta. Now, if I take cos theta common from these two, cos theta common and cancelling. Left out is minus 3 cos square theta plus 3 plus coming to here. Sin theta common and cancelling in both numerator and denominator. Left out here is 3 minus 3 sin square theta. 3 minus 3 sin square theta. Here I am taking cos theta common. This becomes minus 3 cos square theta. So this becomes only 3. Again sin theta common and cancelling. This becomes 3. This becomes minus 3 sin square theta. Now here 3 plus 3 6. And if I take minus 3 common from these two, becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta. Becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is 1. 6 minus 3 equal to 1. 6 minus 3 equal to 1. Sorry, 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Hence proof. That only we have to prove. Is equal to RHS. Hence proof. 6 minus 3 equal to 3 is RHS. Hence proof. Hence proof. Next one. Show that sin A equal to sin 3A by 1 plus 2 cos 2A. Hence reduce the value of sin 15. Hence reduce the value of sin 15. So I will take first RHS and I will prove this is equal to sin A. Then if A equal to 15 degrees, sin 15 value will be. So I will take RHS first. Sin 3A, how can I write? 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Sin 3A formula is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. I can write divided by 1 plus, how can I write this? 2 cos 2A. So 2 into cos 2A I can write as 2 cos square A minus 1 or 1 plus 2 sin square A. 2 cos square A minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 minus 2 sin square A I can write. So I will write 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 minus 2 sin square A. Cos 2A I can write as 1 minus 2 sin square A or 2 cos square A minus 1. So I am writing 1 minus 2 sin square A. Now this is, if I take sin A common from the numerator, what is left out? 3 minus 4 sin square A. 3 minus 4 sin square A divided by, this is, if I open the brackets here, 1 plus 2, 3 minus 2 2 ja 4 sin square A. 2 2 ja 4 sin square A. So 3 minus 4 sin square A, 3 minus 4 sin square A cancels. Is equal to sin A. Is equal to sin A equal to LHS. Equal to LHS. So I proved RHS equal to LHS. RHS equal to LHS. Now we need to find the value of sin 15. So substitute A equal to 15 degrees in this expression. Hence reduce is asking. So from this we need to find the value of sin 15. Means substitute A equal to 15 degrees in this, you will automatically get. So it becomes, if A equal to 15, if A equal to 15 degrees, what happens? Sin A means sin 15 equal to sin 3A, 3 into 15, 45 by 1 plus cos 2 cos 2A, 2 into 15, 30 degrees. 2 into 15, 30 degrees. Sin 45, you know the value, 1 by root 2. Value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. By, this is 1 plus 2 into cos 30, you know, root 3 by 2. Cos 30, you know, root 3 by 2. So, root 3 by 2 and 2 cancel. So, left out is 1 by root 2 into 1 plus root 3 into 1 plus root 3. If you rationalize the denominator, numerator denominator, if you multiply with root 3 minus 1, what happens? So root 3 minus 1 by root 2 into a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 square, 3 minus 1. So becomes root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. What's the value of sin 15? We derived in compound angles. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3. Like the same, you can find cos 15 by taking cos formula. Cos A equal to cos 3A by 2 cos 2A minus 1. That is first sum. You can do as homework. And telling you second one, you can do the first one as homework. Same method. Same sum previously we did 290, 250 degrees like. Is giving 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10 equal to, prove that it is 4. It is 4. Previously we proved 4 by root 3. Same type sum, as it is sum. So do the same procedure. There we took the LCM, same concept. And very important is this model is for 4 marks. This model is very important for 4 marks. So what is the LCM of the two? Sin 10 into cos 10. Sin 10 into cos 10. So here it becomes 1 into cos 10 degrees minus root 3 into sin 10 degrees is equal to, now I can do into 2 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 cos 10, 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10, root 3 by 2 sin 10 divided by, here I have sin 10 into cos 10, sin 10 into cos 10 as it is I am writing, and into 2 by 2 again I will do, so that this becomes 2 sin theta cos theta, and 1 by 2 in place of 1 by 2 I can write sin 30 degrees, in place of root 3 by 2 I can write cos 30 degrees. So 4 into sin 30 into cos 10, sin 30 into cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 is cos 30, cos 30 into sin 10, cos 30 into sin 10 divided by 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta is sin 2 into 10, 20 degrees, sin 2 into 10, 20 degrees. I am coming to here, this is 4 into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, sin of A minus B means 30 minus 10, 20 degrees, sin 20 divided by sin 20, and sin 20 we can cancel, so is equal to 4. That one is asking is equal to RHS explode. First I took the LCM, sin 10 cos 10. Then LCM is sin 10 cos 10, this becomes cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10. Whenever you find A sin theta plus B cos theta form, divide and multiply by root of A square plus B square. Means root of 1 plus 3, root 4. So dividing and multiplying means 2. So 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by sin 10. Why you are dividing and multiplying? Automatically conversion to the form of sin of A minus B or cos of A plus B. Depends on how you change this. 1 by 2 I am taking it as sin 30. So converted into sin of A minus B. If I convert it to cos 60, this and this is sin 60 becomes cos of A plus B. So like that you can. So I am doing sin of A minus B because I need sin in the denominator. So this is again into 2 by 2. 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta. 2 into 10 is 20 degrees. So 2 is 4 into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B. Sin of 30 minus 10, 20. Sin 20 by sin 20 cancels. Left out is 4. Hence 2. That is what we need to do. So is equal to 4. Very important sum for 4 marks.